In this video, I'll be showing you how to change GTA 5 online nickname. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So for console players, whether you're on PlayStation or Xbox, it's actually going to be linked to your gamer tags. So on PlayStation, you have to change your PSN online ID by going over to settings, users and accounts, account, profile, then online ID. And on Xbox, you got to change your Xbox gamer tag by going over to the My Profile section, then customize profile, and then change your gamer tag. If you're on PC, what you're going to do is go over to rockstargames.com and then sign into your account. Then go to the top right where it has your profile icon, go over to account, and then go over to manage account. Now you're going to see nickname as one of the options within the profile, and then it's going to allow you to enter a new nickname, but you're going to have to type in a password. And if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you're going to have to put in your authenticator code as well. But you can only change your nickname once a year. And yes, just make sure it's definitely something you want, and then you'll be good to go.